Supplements for calcium. Throughout your life, calcium will prove to be very important. With the most important times of your life, such as childhood, breastfeeding, or pregnancy, getting the right amounts of calcium is very important. For children, calcium helps with the growth of teeth and bones, and it prevents blood clots. With adults, calcium helps to prevent osteoporosis. If you are looking to take, or currently taking calcium supplements, you should take them either before or after your meal, with a large glass of liquid, preferably water. If you are using chewable calcium supplements, then you should make sure that you chew the pills thoroughly before you swallow. If you have trouble chewing them, you should always let them dissolve in a glass of water or juice, then slowly drink once it is dissolved. Keep in mind, you shouldn't take other medications immediately following calcium supplements, as they can easily interfere with other types of medications that you may be taking. Although calcium supplements are ideal for promoting bone and teeth growth and health, you should always make sure that you can take them before you make the purchase. Those who suffer from lung disease, kidney stones, stomach problems, or diarrhea should always consult with a doctor first to make sure that calcium supplements won't make things worse. If you happen to be pregnant, you should let your doctor know that you are interested in or taking calcium supplements, as that has been known to get into breast milk. Normally, anyone can take calcium supplements, although using them in high doses may cause different and adverse reactions. If you take calcium supplements in large doses, you may experience constipation, vomiting, nausea, a loss of appetite, a dry mouth, and a loss of appetite. If you start to have any of the above problems, you should immediately contact your doctor. When you contact your doctor, you should let him know if you are taking any other medications, and any histories of illness or diseases your family may have. Although anyone can take calcium supplements, there are rare cases in which they may cause side effects. Side effects are very rare, although they happen and may prevent certain individuals from taking these supplements. If you've been having problems with your bones or just looking to keep your bones healthy, calcium supplements are what you need. You can find them online, or through local nutrition stores such as GNC. They don't cost a lot of money, yet they will give you peace of mind in knowing that your bones will remain strong and healthy. You can include them in your daily diet as well, although you should check with your doctor first to make sure that they won't cause you any problems.